Welcome to Blackbridge Sound, the greasiest home recording channel on YouTube. Today we're going to be taking a look at the error code that comes up on the ADA MP-1 when the onboard battery dies. Now this is a bit of an issue because if you have presets of your own that are saved into the unit itself, when the battery dies, you lose all of that. So there is a MIDI backup that you can do. I've never personally done it. I'm not exactly sure how that's done, but I'll show you how to clear the code and how to reload the factory presets. So maybe you're looking at like a used MP-1 or something and all these error codes come up and you're kind of freaked out about it. This will get you to see if it actually works or not. So what happens is when you first turn it on, it goes through its normal thing, but then all these channels start going through here. And then when it does all that, it'll come up with a couple error codes. Takes a bit. What are you doing there? There we go. Error 1, error 2, error 3, ADA, and then it just starts flashing. So if you go through all and try to edit anything, literally all the settings are just set to 0. So what you do is you hit store, and then you hold bank and 1, and it'll say presets loaded. And then you can load one of the channels. And that'll load all your factory presets. So the only real fix for this is to replace the battery, but the batteries are soldered to the board itself. So unless you're really good with a soldering iron, then you're stuck taking it somewhere. There is a mod that you can get that allows you to replace the battery without soldering it, but you still have to solder that mod in. There is a guy in Europe somewhere that, fuck, where was he from?
Belgium?
Was it Belgium? I feel like you're right.
I feel like I'm right too.
I'll just not say a country. There is a guy out of Europe that does sell a bunch of mods for the MP-1. I'll link his website in the description down below. And he's pretty heavy into the ADA MP-1 forum as well. He's Marshall JMP. So his website is Marshall JMP Mod Shop, which does not sell JMP mods. It sells ADA mods, which is sweet. So if you're looking for 3-tube mods or battery mods or noise mods or anything, he's got them all up there. Check him out and see you next time.
There you go, bud.
How's that?